What's up, guys? We're rolling here. This time on 3D NerdStop, we're going to print out a door hanging hook to hang a towel on. Alright guys, here's the model we're going to print out today. Now this will be a real simple, real quick video. This says it's a heavy duty coat hanger for a door, but I'm going to hang a towel on it because I need one for my bathroom. I don't have anywhere to hang my towels up. So I'm going to print one of these out and see how it works for hanging a towel on. So of course here's the file. We would download it, and once we get it downloaded, we'd bring it up in Cura. We get the model loaded up in Cura. As you can see, it's a real simple model. It just prints on its side. As you can see, it's only going to take like an hour and 16 minutes. It's 7.06 meters of material, 21 grams, so it's not a lot of material. We are going to do this at our standard settings of a layer height of 0.2, shell thickness at 1.2, top and bottom layer at 1.2, and a fill density of 20. Our print speed of 60. Our print temperature of 210, and our bed temperature of 50. And on this one, we don't need support material, so we can just turn that off. Even though it wouldn't have put any on there anyways, we don't need any. Okay, so we'll get this saved off to the SD card, get the printer heated up, and get her printing. Alright guys, here we go. Here's our printout. As we can see, this is a side view of it, and it looks pretty good. And then all the different views of it. It printed out really nice. It's nice and smooth. There's a couple little spots here and there that need to be polished off, but that's not a big deal. That's normal for a print. Here's a close-up of the head of it. It looks good. And a close-up of the hook that goes over the door. Okay, here it is hanging on the door. Now as you can see, it's a little snug. The top piece the top piece here could use to be just a tiny bit wider so it'd fit across the top of my door just a little bit better. But it does fit well enough that I can use it. You can see here in the front how it makes it towards the bottom tilt out away from the door a little bit. That's because of the pressure it's being put on at the top. But when you close the door closes fine. And then when you hang a towel up on it, it works fine. So for right now, it's a successful print. If I was to reprint it, I might increase its size by just a tiny little bit, just to help get that opening at the top just a little bit bigger. Other than that, it's a great print. Thank you all for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a great day.